mouth. Poopy mouth people.
This is the way we talk like every day.
Oh, poopy toilet mouth. Poopy talk.
Yep.
I think maybe you have some phobias. I think you have to. Maybe you should see someone about that.
Talk about your own poop.
Maybe you guys can poop because you do see other people about it.
We like to talk about our poops afterwards too.
Oh, Lord.
I do. I'm an open book about my poops.
Oh, stop. You guys should go on Oprah. You're making me like, ugh.
You could see last night's corn in your poop.
Oh, stop it.
Yeah, why doesn't corn digest? I don't understand that.
Corn is a good roughage because it cleans out your colon.
No, but it doesn't digest.
Is this the kind of sex you're having, like poop talk?
It's our sex talk.
I knew a girl once who said that this guy used to hire her every year, once a year, to poop on him.
Oh, okay, no, that's too much.
That's GG.
Okay, you went too far.
Oh, so now that's TMI.
You went too far. You went too. No.
That's TMI.
Too far. Too far. Center of Charleston.
Oh, yeah. And look at Bandu and all of this. Like some of the nicer.
That's nice. You're looking good. How do you like it? Edisto life, Portia.
Edisto.
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 How do you like the Edisto life?
I love it. I want to just quit my other life and be here
Oh,
forever and happy.
it's a beautiful place.
Is it? You like it?
It's very beautiful.
I know it's unplugged for you guys.
It was a nice 48 hours of unpluggedness.
Good.
I feel very...
Well, we did plug in yesterday.
We plugged in a little bit of city life, and I almost got into a brawl.
About city life?
No, I almost got into a brawl with a young lady.
City girl. See? Those are the city people I avoid.
Yeah, they're not good city people.
They're not good.
They're dangerous.
Yeah. Yeah. No, we're more dangerous because we'll take them by the neck and wring it. We're more dangerous than they know.
Because we mean business.
Right.
They should mess with us.
Yeah, they should not. They don't know who we are. And you have that tattoo on your arm, so they better watch it.
They better watch it. They better watch it.
That tribal tattoo. They don't
That's
know
right.
what that means.
That means woman on fire.
It means you could kick their butt.
I probably would. I'd get city on them. Coming back to Edisto someday soon. Edisto. It's a place of retreat. And of course I'm waiting on Neil as he finishes working. But what else is new? He's in the house working on his little iPhone, doing messages.
Working on his iPhone.
Yep. He's on his